In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Asana password. Whether you're locked out or just want to change it for security reasons, this process is quite straightforward. Let's dive in and get you back into your account swiftly. To begin, you'll want to head over to the Asana login page. You can do this by navigating to your browser and typing in the Asana website, or simply clicking on the link that often redirects you directly to their login page. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with a prompt asking for your email address. Go ahead and enter the email associated with your Asana account. This is an important step as it ensures that you're accessing the correct account. After entering your email, you'll see a button labeled Continue. Click on that and you'll move on to the next step. Now here comes the part where you typically enter your password. But since we're focusing on resetting it, there's no need to worry if you don't remember it at this stage. However, to access the password reset options, initially click on the standard login. Once you're on your Asana homepage, or in some cases the login page if you're not logged in yet, direct your attention to your profile icon located somewhere typically in the top corner. Clicking on your profile will reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select Settings. This will lead you to a new page with various options concerning your account preferences. Now find the Account tab and click on it. This is where you'll have access to any settings related to your account credentials. Under the account settings, look for the section that says Password. This is where you'll initiate the change. You'll see an option to change password. Click on this and you'll be prompted to enter your current password. If you've forgotten it, don't worry, there's usually an option on the Asana login page to reset your password via email. For those who still remember it, go ahead and type in your current password. After you've entered your current password, you will then need to enter your new password. Be sure to choose a password that's strong and preferably unique to your Asana account. Once you've entered it, you'll need to confirm this new password by typing it again. This ensures there are no mistakes, so be cautious to ensure both entries match. Finally, click on Save to commit the changes. Congratulations, you've successfully reset your Asana password. Remember, keeping your password secure and regularly updated is a good practice for safeguarding your online accounts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you navigate through the process with ease.